The Supreme Court has strongly criticized a Rajasthan High Court judgment that overturned the conviction of a man accused of raping a minor solely because the child victim remained silent and shed tears during her cross-examination. Expressing shock at the approach taken by the High Court, the top court restored the trial court's decision, emphasizing that the absence of direct testimony from the child witness does not necessarily weaken the prosecution's case if other evidence supports the conviction. This case dates back to 1986 when the offense occurred. The High Court's ruling came in 2013, 26 years after the appeal was filed in 1987. Considering the prolonged legal battle, the top court chose not to remand the case for fresh consideration but instead evaluated the evidence itself. A bench comprising Justices Vikram Nath and Sanjay Karol took exception to the High Court's reasoning, highlighting that it dismissed a well-reasoned trial court judgment through a brief 6-page order without properly evaluating medical and circumstantial evidence. The top court underscored that trauma-induced silence cannot be equated with a lack of credibility, particularly when medical and circumstantial evidence point towards the guilt of the accused. The Supreme Court referred to previous judgments, particularly the case of State of Maharashtra versus Bandhu alias Daulat, in which the prosecutrix was deaf and dumb and mentally retarded. In that case, the court had upheld the conviction based on other available evidence. Therefore, the Supreme Court ruled that absence of prosecutrix's verbal testimony does not automatically exonerate an accused if supporting evidence exists. The court also criticized the High Court for revealing the victim's name in its judgment. Allowing the appeal filed by the state of Rajasthan, the Supreme Court has reinstated the trial court's verdict, sentencing the accused to 7 years of imprisonment under Section 376 of IPC.